Details. It's the little things that make big things happen. And big things are happening again at York with the revolutionary 16 Seer packaged units. Contractors know what they need. That's why we listened. And that feedback resulted in a mission to deliver more than they asked for. Smarter designs. Quality that's put through the paces. Superior efficiency and improved serviceability. Advanced technology, all at an affordable price point to give you every competitive advantage. We may not be able to control the weather, but we can harness it. LX Series packaged units deliver consistently higher comfort with less energy, so your customers will be saving money year after year. York efficiency is real value, and that makes every sale just that much easier. Box cutters? Those are for slowing down the competition. Just tear off the wrapping, and before you know it, you're ready to roll. We've brought that same innovative thinking to every aspect of installation and service. Every screw, every panel, every connection, and every process made simpler and easier to save you time and improve your bottom line. Proven reliability, easier to service, affordable to purchase, money-saving efficiency, and a stronger warranty than ever before. When it comes to your success, we covered every detail. That's what the complete LX Series line is all about. Because details make big things happen.